Real briefly, we'll go over categories because I kind of talked about categories and tags in the last video. But categories are really just kind of a simple way for you to categorize or group your posts in your WordPress site. So again, using the filing cabinet analogy, if you get a bill in the mail and it's a magazine subscription and it's for National Geographic, you may file that bill in your magazine subscriptions category, and you may tag it as National Geographic. So that's it. What you do to create a category is go back over to posts, choose categories, type in a name, and for this, the Ultimate Guide to WordPress, we could do it this way. Configuration, and then you don't need to do anything here really. You can add a new category. Now you see the configuration is here. If I wanted to put a category underneath configuration, I could do this and say tags, right? And see how tags kind of nestles in under configuration per this right here. So let's go create a post by clicking on Add New. We'd enter a title, we'd enter content, and if we were talking about tags, we could do that, and then we could put post tags of tags, how to logically tag your posts, etc., etc. Click Add, see how the tags are added. When you're done, click on Publish, and you're all set. All right, thanks.